Hello friends, this is me Bilal Arshad and I hope all of you are fine and safe. I welcome you to in my YouTube channel Mathematical Society. So today's in this video I will discuss about the quadratic equation by factorization method. How to solve, how to find the solution of the quadratic equation by factorization method. So the given equation is x square plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. So firstly, we write the given equation. So the given equation is x square plus 7x plus 10 equals to 0. So firstly, we find the product of the coefficient of x square and the constant term. The coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant term is 10. So the product is 10. So here we need to find two numbers whose sum is the coefficient of the middle term and whose product is equal to 10. So now to factorize the given equation, we split the middle term of this quadratic equation. So there are two numbers satisfying both conditions are 5 and 2. So the product of 5 and 2 is 10 and the sum of 5 and 2 is 7. Both conditions are satisfying uh, by using these two numbers 5 and 2. So the middle term of this equation can be written as 5x plus 2x, and the first term and the last term becomes as it is. Last term is 10, equality 0. So there are four terms in this equation. In this equation, on the left hand side, there are four terms. So we group these terms. So here x is the common element from very first two element. So here taking x as a common element, we have x plus 5. And now taking 2 as a common element, because these two terms are divisible by 2, so 2 is the common element from the last two terms. We have x plus 5 equality 0. So using this equation, in this equation x plus 5 is common. Now taking x plus 5 is common element, so we have x plus 2. So there are two factors on the left hand side of this equation. There are two factors, so we write these factors, we set these factors equal to 0. So each factor becomes equal to 0. So here x plus 5 equals to 0, and secondly x plus 2 equal to 0. So by adding negative 5 on both sides, so here x plus 5 minus 5 equality, and here 0 plus minus 5. So here after cancellation we have x is equals to negative 5. Negative 5. On the right side we add negative 2 on both sides. By adding negative 2 on both sides, so we have after cancellation x is equals to negative 2. So these are the roots of the quadratic equation. Hence the solution of this quadratic equation, solution set containing two elements. So here negative 2 and negative 5. This is the solution set of the given quadratic equation. I hope this question is very interesting for you. For more updates, do subscribe MVA Mathematical Society, and please share these videos to those students who are not going to the coaching classes due to the financial reasoning. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.